So just wanted to show everybody the new little addition inside the catio here. So I bought this back in the fall, and it's a neat little house. I did spend some time doing some things that I thought would make it a little more durable and a little more waterproof. But one of the neat things that I liked about it right away is that it is elevated probably 10-11 inches off the ground, and the roof is a very nice, just like like what you would find on your house. It's like an asphalt kind of roof. When the sun's out, it will get relatively warm, maybe even too hot in the summer if the sun's on it, but a lot of times in the summer I have shade kind of blocking this area off anyway. In the front, you can see there's like two doors here. One is just like a regular kind of swinging door, and the other is just these little vinyl like pads. So one of the really cool things though is that this roof, it can open very, very easily. So it can open. There's even like a little kind of a prop here. You can keep it so it doesn't fall down. You can also then easily open up the other side as well. The other kind of really cool thing in here is it has real thick foam insulation that goes all the way around, and there's even the foam insulation is even here on the roof area, so it does keep it really nice and warm. One of the things I did was I put one of my K&H little heating pads out here, and it really only takes up about like less than half the space, and then this is just regular, but this is also like a soft pad underneath. So when this is closed up, it does that heating pad gives off a tiny amount of heat, but it stays in there, and it's actually kind of nice and warm. So it's a good size. Going across the bottom, I don't know, I'd say it's at least 40 inches or more going across the bottom, and there's pretty good width to it on the side here. The other end, although I don't think I would use it much, but the other end does have a door that can open, but of course right now the pads in there. In the summertime, I would probably remove that insulation pad just so it doesn't stay so warm inside, but it's pretty cool. What I did to it though in the beginning is, they say this is fir type wood, which is supposed to be kind of water repellent, but they only had a little bit what looked like a light stain on it, and maybe that would be okay. It would be perfectly fine for an indoor situation, or it would be fine if you were on probably like a covered porch. But this is going to get a lot of rain and snow on it throughout the year. So what I did was took me a couple of weeks, but I just basically coated every wood part of this with some really good quality exterior polyurethane, just to give it a little more waterproofing. So it seems to be cool. Kitties aren't quite used to it yet, but I did see, and you could see in that still picture I sent you, Calvin was sitting in there looking out at the outside. I have it turned this way because the winds, I don't want the winds blowing into those doors. So it's pretty nicely positioned here now. We'll see. I know in the summer they'll probably be spending a lot of time just kind of sitting on top of it in there. So that's the new little addition that we got going here in the catio for now. All right, see you later.